Welcome, friend. Definitions of microeconomics. You have already studied some important definitions of microeconomics. Let us review some more definitions. 1. Maurice Dobb, microeconomics is in fact a microscopic study of the economy. 2. Professor A.P. Lerner, microeconomics consists of looking at the economy through a microscope, as it were, to see how the millions of cells in the body of economy, the individuals or households as consumers and individuals or firms as producers, play their part in the working of the whole economic organism.
Letus C. Scope of microeconomics. Microeconomics focuses on analyzing how individual markets and agents, such as consumers and firms, make decisions regarding resource allocation and pricing. Here's a breakdown of its primary areas of study. A. Theory of product pricing. The price of an individual commodity is determined by the forces of demand and supply in the market. Microeconomics examines these forces, delving into demand analysis. This examines how consumers make purchasing decisions, including preferences, income levels, and price sensitivity. Supply analysis. This focuses on producer behavior, assessing production costs, available technology, and resource constraints that influence supply levels. B. Theory of factor pricing. Microeconomics identifies land, labor, capital, and entrepreneurship as critical inputs or factors in the production process. The rewards for these factors are determined based on their contribution to production. Land earns rent. Labor earns wages. Capital earns interest. Entrepreneurs earn profit. This part of microeconomic theory helps determine how these rewards are set through factor pricing. C. Theory of economic welfare. The theory of welfare addresses efficient resource allocation with the goal of maximizing societal satisfaction. Economic efficiency is broken down into three types. Production efficiency, achieving maximum production from available resources. Consumption efficiency, distributing goods and services to maximize overall societal satisfaction. Overall economic efficiency, focusing on producing goods that are most desired by people, enhancing societal welfare. Microeconomic theory provides insights into achieving these efficiencies within the scope of individual markets. However, it does not address broader economic issues like unemployment, poverty, or inequality, which fall under macroeconomics. Topics such as growth theory, business cycles, and monetary or fiscal policy are also outside the purview of microeconomics.